Alright, welcome to part 2. So, from the previous episode, we ended off with SCP-466, 4666, right? So here, now we start at SCP-01012, SCP, which is Bad Melody. Alright, let's record it. SCP-12 is to be kept in a dark place at all times. If an object is exposed to light or is visible to personnel using any spectrum other than infrared, personnel should be removed immediately for mental and psychological examination. The object should be enclosed in a metal box suspended from the ceiling, with a minimum distance of 2.5 miles from the floor, or millimeters from the floor, walls, and any openings. The fact that this object affects the victim in such a way that she has a desire to finish the composition with her own blood. What the hell? Let's play some D-Class. Drop it in. She's gonna die. Oh, she's writing it. She's writing it. Oh, he's dead. She's dead. He or she, yeah. So here we are at SCP-087, which is the stairs. Which I already... Oh wait, forgot to showcase it. There will be some screeching sounds, so please lower your volume. And there might be also some epilepsy warning. Maybe, I don't know. Oops. Yeah, we are now inside SCP-087.
Please proceed with caution.
There's gonna be one at the floor 14, maybe? Around there. Keep going.
Yes, baby!
Oops. Alright guys, this is my baby sister and my mom. Right, almost there. Somewhere, okay, somewhere. So please don't blame. Somewhere. But at least it was somewhere. 16 or 17, let's bet. Don't hear us saying a thing what to say. But yeah, let's just quit and go to the Super Ball. Okay. Alright. Place in this guy. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Super Ball. So fast. Oh, shit. Been laggy. Oopsies. Turn on the magnet. Nope, it does not work. Okay. This one doesn't seem to have a file or anything. But if you can translate it. I don't know how to say Russian. I think it's supposed to be contained in a 5 times 5 times 2.5 because there's some numbers there. Right over there. See Numbers right. Oh frick, it got removed. I know why. It got removed. So that's the effect. SCP-527, a fish head man. Mr. Fish is one of the 20 little misters in Dr. Wonder King. What the frick? Okay, anyway. The virus, zombie virus, yeah. Click on it. Let it stay for a long time here. See the cut in the zombie virus. Stuffing again. And a cough one more. Decontamination. Okay, it's gonna turn to a zombie. Wow. Volume warning. SCP-002 delivered. Right, guess what is gonna change in here? Like what I did last video. It's gonna be a TV. Bet there's gonna be a TV and a clock. No. Oh wow, 2 lamps. Guess we could there we go. I think it's pretty full. Yes. Yummy. Yep, it's loud, it's loud. There's a painting. Then one scientist. What will happen? For the sacrifice. Oh wow, 3 lights and a curtain. Stylish? Okay, 2 of these guys. Gonna keep decorating. This is gonna be our quest. I'm gonna play the series of this, I guess. What did they add? I had enough. Oops. Okay. This one. The red lake, red ice. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's add in. I'm gonna be let it go. Oh, SCP-009 is right over there. It's growing fast. Gonna attack me. This thing is too. Ooh. Gonna get infected. There's a stem. 2 more. 2 more growing out of it. And then it's gonna be 4 more. Then 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 more. 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, just 8 more. Then just multiplies. By 10. It'll be 10. So pretty. What? I'm not under. No. The video is almost at the end, so yeah. This is where we're gonna end. Then we're gonna continue. Yeah. Bye.